Welcome to Venusri Tuitions. So 10th class trigonometry chapter example 5 question we are discussing. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters. A chord chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 6 centimeters. Circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. Find the length of the chord. See here, a chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. Now, solution. First, draw a circle of radius how much? 6 centimeters. By using 6 centimeters radius, I drawn one circle. Now, so at the center, so it is the O, center of the circle. So here keep one protractor and 60 degrees angle, draw another line. Now, so join the 2 points, this. It forms a chord of a circle. Forms the chord of. Now you will find this chord of the circle. Now, so you keep here points A, here B. Now, you draw one perpendicular line to the AB. It is. Now you keep another point C. Now, so before that, so what is this? Here 60 degrees, here 60, here 60. So it forms a equilateral triangle. Now, so you draw here one perpendicular line, nothing but here bisecting the angle 60 degrees makes an angle here 30 degrees. Now I draw another diagram of here 30 degrees. What is that? OCA. Here OCA. Now, so in this, you know this, it is 6 centimeters, it is also 6 centimeters. So you know the angle from this diagram here 30 plus 30 60 degrees. So it is 30 degrees. Now, we already discussed fourth example. So same here also you do the process. Now, sin 30 is equals to opposite side AC, hypotenuse OA. So, sin 30 degrees is equals to opposite AC by hypotenuse OA. Opposite side hypotenuse, it is adjacent side. Now, I am substituting sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Now, AC you are finding OA given 6. Here see here denominator cancelling, because here this symbol is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 is 6. Now do cross multiplication. AC into 1 is equal to 3 into 1. So it is equals to 3 centimeters. Now see here, you got AC, but you want the length of the chord AB. So AB is equals to twice of BC. ఎందుకంటే 2 times ఉంటుంది. ఇది బైసెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది AB లైన్ కాబట్టి. సో హియర్ బైసెక్టింగ్ ద AB by using OC. Now 2 BC. So here 2 into BC is equals to BC or AC, anyone. So 2 BC or 2 AC. So we got the answer. AC is equal to 3 centimeters. So 2 3 is 6 centimeters. So AB is equals to 6 centimeters. So it is the length of the chord. So right answer, length of the chord or length of chord is equals to 6 centimeters. So what is given here? Radius is given, angle is given, one angle. So by first we draw the circle by using 6 centimeters. Afterwards join OB. Again here keep protractor and 60 degrees. Draw another line. Join these 2 points. So take A and B points. And after draw a perpendicular line, it is C. So C bisecting this line. By using the trigonometry sin 30, so you got the answer. Next, AB is equals to 2 BC or 2 AC. So AC you got the answer 3, 2 3 is 6 centimeters. Thank you.